Justice Abimbola Awagbura of the Federal High Court in Lagos has sentenced cross-dresser Idris Okuneye, popularly known as Bobrisky, to 6 months in jail with no option of fine. The judgment was handed on Friday morning, April 12. On April 5, EFCC arraigned Bobrisky in court on a 6-count charge ranging from abuse of the naira and money laundering. The court, however, dismissed the money laundering charges but convicted him for naira abuse after he confessed to the crime. The court also ordered that he be remanded in EFCC detention in Lagos. The judge then adjourned hearing for judgment into the case to April 9. However, the court couldn't sit due to the April 9 to April 11 Eid-Fitr public holiday. Okuneye Idris Olarenwaju, born August 31, 1991, predominantly known as Bobrisky, is a Nigerian transgender woman and LGBT personality. She is also known for her presence on the social media apps Snapchat, TikTok, and Instagram. She has gone viral on TikTok for creating the Bobrisky dance in 2021. Born Okuneye Idris Olarenwaju in 1991, Bobrisky attended both King's High School and Okota High School for her secondary school education, and graduated with a BSc degree in accounting from the University of Lagos, UNILAG. She became recognized as being highly controversial on social media for not adhering to conservative Nigerian standards. Bobrisky has a huge following on social media. She was able to garner traffic to her Snapchat account when she claimed she had a lover who is assumed to be of masculine gender, despite the law in Nigeria stating that same-sex relationships is an offense punishable by up to 14 years imprisonment. On July 8, 2021, she revealed a new physical appearance after undergoing surgery to become more feminine.